right, today take a look at the Cotsoco Shiatsu Back Massager. So we got instructions, we've got a car adapter, and we have our AC adapter. So if we go in for a long drive, we can still use this guy. So this is saying every time you use it to let the massage head return to its home position whenever you shut it off. And there is the guy. Okay, cool. So we can actually see the massage head right here. My understanding is this is going to travel up and down as well as heat. And I don't think anything goes on here. No, it feels like there is something. Maybe we'll get some heat out of that as well. And on the back, we just got our strap. That is Velcro, so we can wrap that around our chair. And on the seat, we also have a pocket for our remote. So we have upper back, lower back, full back, vibration, heat, timer, and then demo mode. And then the power button in the middle. So I'm going to connect the power supply here. Wow, that looks pretty nice. Okay, cool, and we can actually see that it is in fact traveling up. So right now we have it on full back. So that is going to just move up and down the back. That looks incredible. Let's turn on heat. Okay, cool. So we got the infrared heat. Feels almost kind of spring-loaded. Man, that feels nice just on the hand. Let's turn on vibration. We got low, medium, and high. And the timer has 5, 10, and 15 minutes. So it's currently set to 15 minutes. That is cool. It looks kind of like orbiting planets. So I am starting to feel some heat out of this thing now. It's not a lot of heat, but it is some. I don't know if I'll be able to feel that through this cushion. So I think maybe if this is too intense, we could use this to help make it a little bit feel softer on our back. Or if we want a more intense massage, we can just pull that up and use this directly. Yeah, that feels awesome. Let's just go ahead and do the works. So put the vibration on. Got the massage, got the heat. That is awesome. Most of the massagers that I see, they're just vibration or something like that. I love having this Shiatsu machine that can actually go up and down the back and apply pressure. This is one of those things that I've just always wanted. So I started out with it going all the way up and down my back, and as soon as it started rolling, I knew that I needed this right on my lower back. And I now know for certain that this pad is definitely something that it needs because it puts a lot of pressure on the back. But I feel like $1,000,000. I only sat on this thing for like 2 or 3 minutes, but my back feels 10 times better right now. I tried the massaging on the bottom. I think that's really a teach their own type of thing. Really, the selling point to this for me was definitely the Shiatsu massager. That thing is incredible. So this thing is awesome. I love this guy.